I'm going to show you how to scan a QR code on your PC without a camera. First, open the Microsoft Store by pressing the Windows key and typing Microsoft Store, and then hit Enter. Once the store is open, search for QR code scanner. Next, click on the QR code scanner from the search results, then click on the Get button. After the download is complete, click Open to launch the application. When the QR code scanner is open, you will typically click on Scan QR code. However, since you might not have a camera on your computer, you can use the option to open QR image. Simply take a screenshot of your QR code and then click on Open Image File. Navigate to where you saved the screenshot of your QR code, select it, and click Open. You should now see the URL or information that the QR code contains.